Boy, 2 Massies in the shed. Wish they were just in here to get parked out of the weather, but no! Well, I'm going to have a word with the mechanic. The 165 has been in here since fall time? Yeah, and I didn't get to that. The 275 I just brought in here because that throwout bearing that never got fixed last year, well, it's still broke. So I'm going to try to fix that, and yeah, maybe. Nah, probably not. Not bad. A couple hours worth of work, and I got it ready to split in 2. Here's what I'm going to do. Cherry picker on the engine side, and chain fall out of the rafters, holding the transmission side. I don't know, should work. Tires are blocked and stuff. I don't know. See how it goes. Alright. Let's see what happens. Nothing. What am I forgetting? No. That's not part of it. Those are loose. No. Took them 2 out. That one's out. Something's pissing oil all over the place still. Oh, wrong way. I see some movement there. Like I ain't got all the frickin'... I don't have all the bolts out, you dumbass. Oh my Christ. Take all the bolts out, you idiot. Then maybe it'll come apart. Maybe. I doubt it. That's gonna do. There's one there too. Holy crap. Boy, am I retarded. Oh. Both have to go up. Up on the tractor. Yep. I'm hoping this will work. Should. Okay. I can't see up there, but I don't know. Anything holding us on? Oh, no. The fuel lines are empty. We're on hook. Well, not that temperature, but I think that'll stretch out enough. What is valve? Start go up some. There we go. Hey, how about that? It's gonna work. Alright, what's the hold up here? No. No. Oh. That's the plug for the alternator. Okay. Well, over there, what's the... No. Well, why won't the damn thing come out then? No. We should be free. Huh. Yeah, we're stuck on a rock or something. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, no. Uh-oh. Shut off cable. Oh, I already pulled it free. Poop. Forgot that. Okay, now we're ready. Huh. Why? Just a little bit more so I can get that throat bang out of there. Not too far though, because temperature. Yeah, she's, oh yeah, look at them. Shoot. Ain't got none of them either. Well, poop. Yeah, see all the white lithium grease in there. I kept trying to spray at it and hoping that it would do something. It didn't. Nope. Yeah, both are bad. Well, tomorrow's a holiday. That's good. Or that's gooder. I forget how that comes off of there. I might have a couple bolts. That's back the whole way then. There it is. I need to get them springs out of there. How the hell am I going to do that? Well, here's the part in question. I don't remember how that comes out of there. Yep, like that. Sure does. Well, that don't have a grease groove in it anyway. No. It don't. No, it don't. Or if that housing does. Now, I gotta find the new one. Oh boy. Well, look at there. Found the new part on the shelf. I know I ordered one. But the numbers don't match up. That's fine. You know. I'll go in there. Not very nicely. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. The thing is, I need new bolts. Well, not for this, but that. I think it's supposed to fit tighter than that, though. Oh! It does. Hammers down. Is that one not tall enough? Oh no. Oh no. Well, shit. Alright. Got the old bolts out. Picks that up. Got brand new bolts in the clutch fingers. They're all set for what should be alright. And got the brand new throwout bearing in. Get this thing shoved back together. See how that goes. Well, there's the 275. I didn't get any more of the reassembly together because, yeah, had some tedding to do. It already had a job lined up. I got a couple leaks to tidy up on. That was power steering, and that one was oil pressure line. Still need tidied up, but the clutch works great. Might need a little fine tuning with the linkage for adjustment, but yeah. Working good. Got to get the rest of the tin on, some more bolts and things like that, but all back together and working good.